Hey guys, Wheezer here, and today we're gonna be playing some Hypickel Dools. I booted up the old Jimmy PC, and we're gonna be playing some Hypickel Dools. So we're gonna start off. Let's choose OP Dools. We got the Spartan. Okay, here we go. Oh, who's that? Okay. Hey man. You look kind of scary. Stop it. Stop comboing me, man. Stop it. Stop. No. Stop trying. Ah, he's boxing me. No. Okay, we're playing the bridge duel. Okay, this is... Hi! Are you the turtle from Pokemon? Okay. I've seen all the pro epic gamers do this, so... Oh, he fell off too, so this is a good start. Here we go. No, stop it, man. I'm not trying to cause any trouble. He fell. Jimmy's mom must be really mad when she hears that I failed. Oh, I can block clutch. Does that mean I'm good? I scored. This is too easy. Oh. Yeah. This is too easy, man. I'm literally boxing you like a fish. What is he doing? He's trying to block me off. Unacceptable. Oh. You're really free, dog water. Freer than air. Freer than a croissant. Okay. This guy may be pretty good at the game, but I know. I've been taught by Ninja, the pro Fortnite player. I won! My mom took away my computer for a while because I was screaming. And, so we're gonna be playing this little... I feel like I wanna put... Who said poopy head? That's mean. Let's play sumo. Okay, this seems pretty nice. I've heard this is a relaxing game, and not a lot of people play it. Oh, you're literally free. I'm literally beating you right now. You're actually so trash. 0 PR. Yeah, it's me. I'm on the leaderboard. Bro, shut up, kid. Your name is Caleb. I'm literally beating you with my toes right now. You're literally free. Get crapped on by Pepe the Frog. Hey, Jimmy, you want to see a frog? This is pretty fine. We're on a win streak of 2 right now. Can we make it 3? This guy's a little good at the game. Okay, let's make some classic duels. Ooh, already starting off. We have a scammer. I'm gonna be this dude either way. Shut up, kid. You're literally getting comboed. Literally free. Dog water. Stop comboing me. You know you can't do it. These guys are so good. Okay, after that, I feel like I should try going against like someone who's a little bit better than that man. And I'm playing on like 2 FPS right now, so it's kind of difficult. No excuses and no offense, but that guy's kind of trash. You're literally getting comboed right now. My hands are sweating right now. Actually, they're not because you're actually so free. I don't even need to do this. I'm literally still playing with my toes. Believe me, but I'm playing with my toes right now. If I were to try and use my hands, I'd be better than LeBron James. And that says a lot right there. Here we go. We're running. Why are you so... Why? No! This guy's cheating! It's a draw! wall. Anyways, that's it. I have to hide or else my mom's gonna come into the room and beat me. What are you doing, Carl? No, Mommy, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.